I decided this Accelerate sticker, I'm going to put it up there just because, or somewhere anyway, just because I feel like putting it up there. So I'll put the sticker up here. You guys might not like it, but I think it's pretty cool. I quite like a sticker there. I'm going to probably put some more along here and on this one, and then eventually if I get a sun strip I want to line some more up along here. I don't know what's happened to my paint. What the fuck is that? It's not coming off either. I don't know what it is. But I've got these Lego bricks on every wheel now. And it really just adds to the whole idiot theme. Oh, this looks fucking so sick. But yeah, that is what the car's looking like now.
Yeah.